This is David of Trails and Trucks, and I'm here with Matthew Berman, the owner of SRQ Fabrications. And what do we got today?
Today we have my 2014 Toyota Tundra double cab.
Double cab, 2014 Tundra.
Exactly. So, yeah, full like pre-runner build. We did custom front bumper on it that we built in-house. Long travel, bypasses, all the fun stuff. So,
oh man, so let's start here. Why did you choose why did you choose a Tundra? When I first met you, you owned what, a 5-speed 4-banger, two-wheel drive Tacoma, or no, 4Runner.
Yeah.
And now this.
Yeah, I've always loved like the pre-runner style truck, and I'm definitely a big Toyota fan, so there's nothing else but to do a nice Tundra V8 power and go full pre-runner with it.
Yeah.
So.
Especially with these Florida trails, I mean, you can totally rip on these like...
Yeah, just dirt roads.
Yeah, it's like dirt roads, but they have some whoops and some little things. Yeah. I mean, it rips, it's pretty fun. It gets
plenty of attention around town too.
Yeah,
so.
I mean, so what color is this wrap? I mean, let's get down to it. I mean,
yeah, I actually don't know the specific name, to be honest.
It's like a
teal, yeah, it's like a teal wrap.
Blue.
Yeah. So
kind of Tiffany blue and some lighting, you know. The ladies love it, I'm sure.
Before this, it was like a satin red, so I've had this wrap for like a year now.
That's right.
So yeah, I definitely like the color.
Yeah.
So
this is a custom front bumper.
Yep.
And is this a TRD Pro or an SR5?
This is an SR5 with a nice TRD Pro grill.
Nice, you have to. You have to.
Color matched emblem.
It's the right thing to do. I know.
Yeah, so Morimoto projector, LED projectors. Yeah, with the daytime running lights and everything. They're pretty cool. So yeah, custom front bumper.
I really like this step plate you got going. It's like a step plate, but it's like also a bull bar, like you can push people out of the way.
Yeah, so we did custom dimple dies out of aluminum, and then we also have a aluminum skid plate that ties into the center.
All these nice fender washers, that's clean. And then the ABS plastic,
fairing.
The pre-runner thing.
Did some recovery points on it and nice little fairing underneath, or skid plate up front. So.
And are these recovery points the billet ones yet, or no? You're gonna swap those out?
Yeah, these are just some nice 1/2-inch steel.
Holy buckets. I mean, those ain't going anywhere.
Exactly, so yeah.
Really nice, really
Super simple and gets the job done.
Look at the size of those arms. What kit is this?
Yeah, so this is the MCM Fab 3.5-inch kit.
3.5-inch long travel.
Yep, uniball upper and lower control arms with ADS coilovers.
This thing is wide. Holy buckets. So you were saying it's running 2.5-inch coilovers. Are they 10s, 8-inch?
They're just over 8 inches of travel, yep.
Yeah, just over 8 inches of travel. Got the MCM uppers and lowers.
Yep. So it's pulling about
factory bump stops?
Yeah, I don't have any bump stops on it yet. Gotta get going on that. And maybe some resi mounts.
Gotta get some Timberins on there or something.
There we go, yeah. So.
You got those custom reservoir mounts, as always. You're gonna...
Gotta go zip tie, it's the only way.
Yeah, gonna be building some custom ones, I'm sure.
At some point, yeah. So it's pulling like 16 inches of wheel travel right now.
Wow.
So with CV axles.
With 4-wheel drive CV axles. And these are 3.0 coil, or
they're 3 3/4 springs.
3 3/4 springs.
So what you would see on like a 3.0 shock or coilover, but on a 2.5.
And you do that because
they're an 800-pound spring rate. So to get the 800-pound spring rate, you gotta run the beefier springs.
Got it.
Yep.
And
then tie rod extensions and all that are included with the kit.
All that.
So, yeah.
And can you get that kit on your website?
Yep, it's on SRQ Fabrications website.
That's sick.
Yeah.
And then are these? Yeah, these are not factory fenders.
No, these are McNeil Racing 4-inch flare fenders, and then it's also this piece under the headlight is included with the fender kit.
That looks great.
Yeah.
All wrapped, super nice to match.
All wrapped, yep.
And it's fiberglass. Look at it, guys. This is a big thing here. His fiberglass is not cracked like everybody else.
Doing pretty good.
Doing pretty good. Tires don't rub.
There we go. Exactly. We got some really nice ditch lights.
We got some the non-existent ones.
Yeah,
but
they're pretty nice though.
They're coming soon though.
Yeah, we'll get those on. They get some element lights on there soon. So yeah, I got the brand on the side, and then got
the nice brands. So
tried to match the Icon wheels with the color of the logo. So
Yeah, that looks great. Oh yeah, Icon. So what size tires are these?
These are 37 12.5 Cooper STT Pros on some 17-inch Icons.
Nice.
So, yeah. One of the few 17-inch wheels that I could find that fit the brakes on this Tundra.
Oh, that's right.
Most are 18s.
Most are 18s, that's right. That's tricky, but the sidewall, you want sidewall for days.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, that's the way to go.
So.
Nice, I like that.
Coming to the back, we got McNeil fiberglass bedsides to match the front.
Ooh, I like that. The nice bulge going on there. Yep. And then this cut right here.
Yeah, this is a cut. So these bedsides actually do work with the factory stock rear bumper. So it does come down and has the indent for the chrome bumper to sit in there, but
gotcha.
We're not running a rear bumper, or at least not the factory one. So we went and did the cut, give it that cool look. Yeah,
that looks great. I like that a lot. And then those springs are hanging pretty low.
Yeah.
Those springs are hanging low. What do we got going on
so we
there?
got a Deaver leaf pack in there with a spring under kit.
Dude, the Deavers, you have to.
Yep. So these are the HD version, since we do have the deck system, rooftop tent, we do tow with it, so we don't have too much squat with the HDs. And then we paired it up with the MCM Fab offers this bolt-in kit for 3.0 triple bypasses with bump stops.
Wow. So you have hydro bumps and triple bypasses, 3.0s.
Yep, and all mount under the bed so you don't lose any bed space, which is definitely nice when you're actually using the truck.
Yeah, because I mean, you buy a truck to use it as
exactly,
a truck, right?
So now we don't have to worry about anything sticking through the bed.
But you could go mob Baja any day of the week.
Exactly, yeah, we got plenty of travel still on this thing. So
that's cool. So you have a rooftop tent. So this is a mix of a little overland.
Yeah,
right?
Got to be able to camp, right?
Yeah.
So we use this for events and stuff when we're bringing this in the Bronco, and we're able to set up the tent on this and be able to camp out and stuff. So it makes it nice.
Yeah.
So.
Do you have anything in the bed with all this extra space that you gained?
So we got a nice deck system in the bed.
Oh, ho, ho.
Yeah, makes it nice for storing camping and stuff around the shop.
There you go. And being down in Florida, I'm sure you go fishing a lot, so you probably use the nice
I got a nice ruler and everything. Store our hitch and whatnot in it.
Jackery, the whole
Yeah,
nine.
I gotta have a jackery.
You have to. We love our jackeries. And
then in the rear, we just kind of did a simple hitch right through the frame rail. So we actually cut the frame rail and welded in some 2.5 by 2.5 3/16 steel and welded a hitch into it.
That's some thick tubing there.
Yep.
So do you have plans to make a custom rear bumper for these
trucks?
trucks?
Definitely coming soon, but we've been working on a lot of other projects, and my trucks always get pushed to the end of the line. So
that's okay. Well, we're ready to see the 2nd gen long travel fiberglass rear bumper.
There we go. Yeah,
SRQ
definitely
offers.
gonna have to come soon. So
yeah, that'll look good. Oh, so
one last thing is we got side exit exhaust.
Oh, and what exhaust are we running on here?
So this has a MagnaFlow kit on it.
Wow,
nice
that's clean.
Custom MagnaFlow kit, and then we did custom piping over the frame rail, and then ties into the side exit exhaust.
That's really nice. The over the frame rail is a game changer because they normally hang so low.
Yep.
Especially on these Tundras, they just go back right and get in the middle of the way of the spring, really.
Yeah, with the spring under kit, it's nice to just not even have to worry about any exhaust in the way, and doesn't limit any flexing or anything like that. So
really clean. I like that. Do you have any interior bits to show us? Or?
Not really. We got some just basic like chrome delete.
Chrome delete. I know it does have the wireless charger.
Oh yep. From like a 2021 Tundra, put the wireless charger in there. So
I didn't.
Nice bolt-in application.
That's cool. Yeah. I was wondering about that. I'm like, wait, this is an SR5 and it has a wireless charger? No way.
Got to move up a little bit.
Yeah. This is like a limited really now.
There you go.
So I think that's the gist of it. This does have stock gearing right now.
Yep.
Correct. And it does have an LSD in the rear though. I think Tundras from the factory have LSDs. Yeah,
it has a little LSD in it, but we're definitely looking at doing some gears for this and maybe some extra power.
Maybe a blower in the future.
Yeah.
Maybe a little 600 horsepower pre-runner Tundra in the future.
Wouldn't be the worst thing.
Yeah, coming soon. We'll redo the walk around when that happens.
Awesome.
Well, cool. Good. Thanks for having us.
Yeah,
Matt.
Appreciate it, David.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Cool. We'll see you guys.
Yep, everyone.